Farago, Ashai Tokomi, Oshimakori.
My name is Adesanya, a.k.a. Oluwashijibomi, the son of late Reverend Dr. Prince Samuel Adesanya. Next question. Actually, first and foremost, I want to appreciate everybody for turning up, coming, and their support for my dad's burial, starting from the judiciary, the tampan, which they did a very good job, the church as well. Let me just say, starting from when he was on a sick bed, they really tried, but you know, God give it and take it. So, and I appreciate all their support for the burial. In fact, I really appreciate Tampan for what they did, because we are there yesterday at June 12 Cultural Center for his artist night, and care guides as well. They did a very good job. So I really appreciate everybody from the national, let me just say all over Nigeria. I appreciate everybody, because though I learned some things from my dad, which is boldness. Though some people must have learned a lot, but from me, when you are bold enough to do something, you do it. So that boldness, he has created it in me already. So I just want to say that may God give me the grace to start from where he stopped, and to work more than where he stopped. So I appreciate everybody, starting from the smallest kid to the old age people. I appreciate everybody. Thank you.